Welcome back once again. In this part, I will show you how to work with scroll view, horizontal scroll view and vertical scroll view in Adobe XD. So for that, first I'm gonna add a new artboard. So click on this artboard and add a new artboard, and I'm gonna change the name of this artboard and I'm gonna say vertical scroll view. Vertical scroll view. So first I'm gonna add a few I'm gonna do a few designs here. So maybe I'm gonna add a rectangle here. So add a rectangle if you want. So add a rectangle. So add a rectangle, but if you want, you can add anything that you want to show. And I'm gonna change the color, and then I'm gonna do this thing. I'm gonna add this border radius 20. And now once we are done, we need to have multiple data item. Once our data will once we will have more than, so once we will have many data that will exceed this artboard height, then we will be able to do a scroll view. So for that, first I'm gonna take help of this repeat grid, and then I'm gonna add a multiple data item. So look at here. So once I am outside of this artboard screen, then the color is gonna be a bit shadow here. So it means that we can only see this amount of data at the same time. But if you want to see this data which is outside of the artboard, we must need to take help of this scroll view. So you can simply add as much as you want. Once you are done with this thing, then you can do your scroll view. One important thing you need to notice here, that you cannot do a scroll view in a single data item. So you must need to have your data in a group. All right, so what I mean is that whatever data you will have, maybe you have multiple data, image, text or anything. So if you don't want to use this repeat grid, you can simply make them a group. Once you will make them a group, you will be able to use the scroll view. So in here you will be able to see two icons. So if I hover over this icon, it says vertical scroll, and this one it says horizontal scroll. So if I am gonna press on this icon, then I will be able to see this icon is gonna come here, so which is the end of my artboard. So this icon is showing you that we will be able to see our data without a scroll view from this part. And if I want to see the data, then we need to do a scroll. So if I want to run this one, so first let me run this one, and here you go, we can see this amount. Now we can do a scroll view. Now we can do a scroll view. So this is how we will work with vertical scroll view. So another important thing is that this icon is available from the updated version of Adobe XD. So if you are using the older version, make sure that you are updating your Adobe XD. So currently I am using Adobe XD 33.1.12.4 version. So make sure that you have the update one, or the one Adobe XD has added these features. All right, so I hope you have learned it, and we have successfully learned how to do vertical scroll view, and in the next lecture we will learn how to work with horizontal scroll view. So I'm going to stop this video right here. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.